Hi class, what I want to do in this brief lecture for you here is I want to just go over how you use technology to find a lot of the graphs in assignment number 3. So this week what you're going to do is you're going to do an assignment that's very much like the one we did in class. So if you remember in class this week what we did was we did an assignment or a project where we looked at the S&P 500 and we looked at their closing price, year open, year close, and annual percent change. So this one here, when you go to assignment 3, I'm going to load up the Word document here. You're going to notice that this one looks at the Nasdaq stock index. Okay, so this looks at specifically the Nasdaq is like a tech stock index from 2009, and it looks at it from this table looks at it from 2009 to 2019. So a little bit less dates here for you. So the one we did in class had like 15 years. This one has, just 10 years here. Okay. So first thing you need to do is you're going to need to compute the mean, median, range, and standard deviation for the annual percent change. So I'll let you do that on your own. You can use your calculator for that. So one of the things I want to focus on here is it asks you to construct a box plot for the annual percent change. And so what it asks you to do is asks you to use Microsoft Excel or this website here. So to do it in Microsoft Excel, it's actually really easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the data, you're going to look at your table, and you're going to see this little like axis here. You're going to click on it. You're going to right click and you're going to hit copy. And then you can go into Microsoft Excel and you can hit Control V to paste it. And then you could just set it up like that. All right, so to do the box plot here, okay, all you're going to do is you're going to highlight the column in Excel. Just hold down your mouse and highlight it. Click Insert. You're going to go to Recommended Charts. And then you're going to click on All Charts. And you want the box plot right here. And you can see it drops the box plot right in there for you. Then you can change the title. So it's a box plot of annual percentage change. And then to copy and paste it in here, what you're going to do is you're going to put your mouse over the box plot, right click and hit copy. Go into Excel. Where do you want to paste it? Right click, and then you could hit these paste options like this, and you can see it just drops right in there for you. Okay, or you can hit Control V. Now, if you're not good at Excel or don't want to use Excel, I have this website here. So if you click on this website, okay, it takes you to this link, and it's in a bunch of online statistics calculators, and it's a really, really great website. And if you look here, one of the things it says, okay, we want to do a box plot. So all you're going to do is you're going to click here, and it's going to say, okay, you enter your data as comma separated data. So we want the annual percent change. So you're just going to go 39.00, comma, 14.90, comma, and it doesn't matter if you put a space after actually. Negative 3.20, comma, 14.00, comma, 34, and just notice how I'm just going down the data here. 14.30, comma, 5.90, comma, 9.80, comma, 27.20, comma, and that's how you comma. Negative 5.30, comma, and 34.60. And then all you're going to do from there is you're just going to hit submit data. And sometimes it takes a while for the box plot to load, but you can see here you have the box plot. So to copy and paste this box plot, all you're going to do is you're going to right click on it. You're going to hit copy image. And then you can Control V, or let's see. You got to paste it as a picture. My apologies there. So when you copy it, copy image, go to here, paste, and then paste picture, and it'll drop the box plot right in there for you. Okay. All right. So either one of these is acceptable. Either one of these is acceptable. All right. Now the next thing it says use Microsoft Excel or the website to construct a scatter plot of year close and year. All right. So in Excel, what you're going to do now, this one, be careful here. This is asking for year close and year. So you're going to highlight year, and then you're going to hold down the control key. Hold down the control key like this. Hold down the control key like this. And then what you're going to do, once you have them both selected, you're going to hit insert. And then this one actually right here is a scatter plot. And then you're going to click, and you're going to see the scatter plot right there. Perfect. Okay. So again, then you can Control C, Control V, paste that in there. Now, if you want to use the website here, here's the image for scatter plot. Okay, scatter plot generator. Now, what you're going to have to do, and this is where it gets a little interesting, is you have to enter the X, Y values as numbers only. So X, comma, Y. So here's what you do. You're going to go, first one is 2009, comma, and then be careful. You don't need to put the extra commas. You have to be careful not to put the commas in. 2269.15. And then you hit enter. 2010, comma. Year closed that year was 2652.87. You can't put the comma from Excel in here. 2011, comma. 2605.15, and so on. You're going to keep going, okay? Keep going. I know it's a little bit of a pain to do this, but 736.05, 2015, comma, 5007.41, 2016, comma, and then it was 5383.12, 2017, comma, 6903.39, 2018, comma, 6635.28, and then finally 2019, comma, 8972.61. All right, hit submit data, and you can see right there's the scatter plot. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to right click, go copy image, and then into Excel here, or into the Word document, you're going to hit paste, and then a picture, just like that. All right, from there I've covered the rest on like how you find the regression equation. What's really cool here is, if you want to use this website, you can also use it to calculate the correlation coefficient and linear regression, but I've showed you how to use your calculator. Primarily use that. This is just how you get the nice visuals for your homeworks. All right, class, I hope this helped, and I look forward to seeing you in class.